Clinical implications of tissue carcinoembryonic antigen expression in Ugandan colorectal cancer patients. By Richard Wismare, Julius Kiwanuka, Josephat Jombave, Emmanuel Elobu, Henry Wabinga and Michael Odira. Introduction. Globally, colorectal cancer, CRC, is the third most common malignancy. The global incidence of colorectal cancer, CRC, is projected to rise up to 60% in 2030. In Uganda and other resource-deprived countries in sub-Saharan Africa, colonoscopy is not easily accessible for screening. Therefore, carcinoembryonic antigen, CEA, may have a larger role as a marker for CRC development in these resource-limited settings. The aim of this study was to investigate the incidence of positive CEA in CRC tissue and compare it to clinicopathological features in Ugandan patients. Methods. From 16 September 2019 to 16 September 2021, samples of colorectal biopsy specimens and resected colorectal carcinoma specimens were obtained from patients in Musk Regional Referral Hospital, Mulgo National Referral Hospital, Uganda Martyrs Hospital Lubaga and Mengo Hospital. Participants were consecutively recruited from hospitals in central Uganda between 2019 to 2021, with corresponding formalin-fixed and paraffin-embedded FFPE tissue blocks that were included in the CEA analysis. A data extraction form was used to obtain data regarding age, sex, stage, grade of colorectal cancer, and topography. Hematoxylin and eosin sections from FFPE CRC blocks were prepared to establish the grade, lymphovascular invasion, LVI, and histopathological subtype. The CEA molecular marker was analyzed using the ABC method for immunohistochemistry. The Pearson chi-square test was used to assess the association between CEA expression and demographic and histopathological variables. The correlation between the CEA biomarker and grade was determined using Spearman's rank correlation. A p-value of less than equals to 0.05 was considered statistically significant. Results. The present study evaluated the CRC tissue CEA and the correlation of the tissue staining intensity with the grade, stage, LVI status, topography, and histopathological subtype of CRC. Out of 118 participants, there were 67 male participants and 52 female participants, and the median age, SD, for all the participants was 59.9, 15.3 years. Compared to stage I, there were 31.4% of CRC tissues stained positively for CEA in stage 4 disease, and this reached statistical significance, p is equal to 0.0101. There were 73.4% CRC tissues with grade 2 CRC that stained positively for CEA compared to 15.2% CRC tissues with grade I CRC, p is equal to 0.0000. There were more AC, 85%, participants that stained positively for CEA compared to MAC, 5.8%, and SRCC, 9.2%, participants, p is equal to 0.0000. A positive correlation between tumor grade and CEA expression was found, R is equal to plus 0.2004, p is equal to 0.0232. Conclusions. In Uganda, increasing CEA intensity in CRC tissues is associated with a poorer grade. High-grade CRC has a higher incidence of lymph node metastasis and a higher CRC-CEA tissue expression. Therefore, in Uganda, there is a poorer prognosis for patients expressing high levels of CEA in their colorectal cancer tissue. The number of rectal cancer patients excluded due to neoadjuvant chemotherapy was small, and therefore it is unlikely that selection bias was introduced. The effect of neoadjuvant chemotherapy on tissue CEA expression should be explored in future studies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.